Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FxPro. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.